English with Rihani. I hope you're really doing so well. I hope you found the previous lessons helpful. So today we'll be talking about, school-related vocabulary. School-related vocabulary. It means the whole stuff that you need for schooling. Pens, pencils, sharpeners, books, whatever. So you need that at school, clear? So today we'll be talking about school supplies. Okay, school objects, the things that we need, we use, for school work, clear? So we need to write, and we need to clean, and we need to cut, and a lot of things. Today we'll be talking about that. Now before we start, as usual, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for new videos, right? So let's start. A school is a place where you study what you're studying, clear? Now, in the school, we have a lot of places. We have a library. So in the library, you can find a bookcase, clear? Bookcase, lockers, right? Lockers, where we find books, clear? And, schooling stuff. In the library, you find shelves. It's a kind of platform where you can put, and organize your books. It's a shelf, clear? Shelf. In the school, you can find classrooms, a classroom, clear? In the classroom, you can find a lot of things, a lot of stuff. Okay, so I can say a blackboard, a whiteboard, it's white, clear? White. A notice board, chairs, a chair, a seat, alright, so it's a seat, a chair, a table, a desk, a waste paper basket where you can throw rubbish. Okay, it's a trash bin. Projector for presentations and school work. A marker. Chalk. Now chalk is used to write on blackboards, clear? Blackboards. Chalk and talk. A globe map. A computer. A dictionary. A book. A notebook. A school bag. A backpack. A folder. Okay, where you can put your stuff, your papers, and so on and so forth. A folder. A binder. Okay, as you can see, we have hard covers where you can put your paper, documents, drawings, and so on and so forth. A binder, clear? Binder. Paper. Stapler. Okay, so stapler. Paper clip, okay? Paper clip. A notebook. A notebook used for, taking notes, okay? For taking notes. pencil, sharpener, 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 a ruler, a ruler, a ruler, protractor, 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 sit square, sit square, sit square, compass, compass, for making circles, okay? So compass, compass, scissors, 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 stamp, 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 a stamp, a glue, a glue, it's a glue. Paintbrush, paintbrush, palette, palette, calculator, calculator, calculator. Now we use calculator for mathematical purposes. Highlighter, highlighter. It becomes clear, clear. So we use a highlighter to shed light on a sentence, whatever. Highlighter, highlighter. Poster, poster. Calendar, calendar. Okay, so we need calendar for dates, you know, and so on and so forth, or for appointments. Okay, so we need a calendar, a lunchbox, lunchbox, a lunchbox, tape, tape for okay, for sticking something like tape, hole puncher, hole puncher, hole puncher for punching paper, hole puncher, corrector, correction pen, the same. Pencil cap, a pencil cap, a pencil cap. Drawing pin, drawing pin. We use it for fastening papers, clothes, okay? Drawing pin, drawing pin. Waste paper basket, waste paper basket. For, you know, keeping the classroom clean. Bigger, bigger, bigger. For, you know, scientific stuff, students, students. Schools are built for students, right? Teachers, teachers, teachers. Principal, principal. It means the headmaster of a school or something like this, okay? So, principal. Microphone, 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 microphone. Magnet, magnet, magnet. Okay, magnets used for, you know, picking up irons and steel. Okay, it attracts iron. Okay, magnet, magnet. Magnifying glass, magnifying glass, magnifying glass. Crayons, crayons. Colored pencils, colored pencils. Pencil case, pencil case, pencil case. In a pencil case, you can find a lot of stuff. Pens, sharpeners, a rubber, a rubber, a rubber. So we use a rubber to clean something, to clean what we've written. So we use a pencil to write, and we use a rubber to clean. We say eraser, 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 rubber, rubber, eraser. It's mostly it's US. It's US. A microscope, microscope, microscope. That's it for today. I invite you again to subscribe and hit the bell. That way you won't miss any new video. Bye bye.